Today we will discuss about concrete noun and abstract noun. First of all, we are going to discuss concrete noun. It is a noun that refers to physical objects that can be identified through one of the five senses. For example, taste. We can taste a thing with our tongue. Touch. We can touch a thing with our hands. Sight. We can see a thing with our eyes. Hearing. We can hear a sound with our ears. Smell. We can feel a fragrance, a smell with our nose. Examples. First of all, book. Book is a thing which can be touched, which can be seen. Next one is laptop. Laptop can be touched. Laptop can be seen by the eyes. The sound of laptop can be heard by our ears. Next one is door. Door is also a concrete object which can be touched, heard, seen. Next one is mango. Mango can be tasted, can be touched, can be smelled, and can be seen. Next one is abstract noun. First of all, definition of the abstract noun. It is a noun that cannot be perceived using one of the five senses. This type of noun refers to emotions, feelings, ideas, qualities, etc. In other words, we can say that abstract nouns are the beyond of our touch, beyond of our sight, beyond of our hearing. These are just emotions, feelings, ideas, qualities, etc. As far as examples are concerned, first of all, beauty. Beauty cannot be touched, but just can be felt. We can touch a beautiful object, but not beauty. Next one is truth. Truth is also an abstract noun. Next one is love. Love is also an abstract noun because these things are beyond our touch. Next one is strength. And the last one is honesty. These are the examples of abstract noun. We can say that abstract nouns cannot be touched, cannot be heard, cannot be seen. These are just qualities, these just can be feelings, emotions, ideas, etc. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel so that our next videos can be reached to your mobile or laptop. Thank you very much.